Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Today I'm going to be showing you installing a doorstop. This is kind of my favorite type of doorstop, is the spring style doorstop. As a secondary, you can use these wall protector deals, but you don't want to really rely on that as a preventative. Only that, it will eventually crack, and this one seems like it's definitely hit a few times. The spring style doorstop works really good to stop this. There are also door stops that can go on the back of the door. They're not quite as good, but they do have use for some applications, especially like closet doors where the door will hit something else, and you can use those, and they're adjustable. But anyway, for the spring style doorstop, when placing these, you want to make sure you have a doorstop that's long enough to do the job that you need, depending on your door and your door handle and your trim and whatnot. Positioning it, you just want it to be high enough to hit the door in a good spot. This one will be good right here. What this has on the back of it is the mounting bracket and a screw inside. And so we just align this where we want it. And ideally it's not going to be angled because you want it to have its spring function. Just tighten the screw down. Position the opening and screw it in, and then just don't over tighten it. It should just be snug. It almost doesn't matter where the opening is, but that opening is where you start this end of the doorstop in, and as long as it's not over tightened, it'll twist in just like that. It should be snug, but not over tightened. Just verify it does what you intend for it to do. And now this one has the secondary protection of these wall protectors, which are also good for, if you did have a hole behind there, you could cover it with this. You could patch your hole first and then put the wall protector on. And those are paintable and whatnot. So, but anyway, that's the doorstop. Good to go. It's a done deal. I'll make sure these rubber covers are on there. Anyway, that's installing the doorstop. Thank you.